Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon, such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Let's do a video about this machine. One friend would like to see this machine. So this video will be very noisy, so it's not asthma at all. And so this is the Nespresso coffee machine, and this style is relatively the smallest pixie. Small machine or big machine, they have the same pressure. So we choose the smallest one so that it takes less space. I think the pressure point is the same. So I choose coffee according to its color. I like it pretty, and that's it. And my family, my husband has a particular preference of his style because I drink coffee with milk, with latte. So the coffee taste, actually, I do not distinguish very much. I just like different color. And I have some other colors there. So how do we make it work? And there is water on the behind. You can see it. There is a water tank. We put mineral water in and open it up. And this part, when you drink the coffee, there are some punch holes. Oh, we have one. So here are the punchers, the punch hole. And here from the back, 3 holes, from the front, a couple of holes. This way the pressure will get into, will press, espresso is press the water out. So get the that coffee foam, and I think it's good enough. You do not, we do not buy expensive $1,000 machine. This one I think is something like $100 or $200, that kind. Okay, so first, before I do not press it, because once you pull down the ladder, it will punch hole. I do not want to do it immediately right now. I want to wait a little bit later. When the water is hot, then I start to do it. Okay, let's see. I prepare my milk. I like to use half and half, or half and half and half. What do I mean? Half and half and half. It means I put half and half and milk. So it's half and half. Okay, this time we do it a little bit luxury. We use half and half. I think in Starbucks it's called Brevi. So I fill it in to here. You can see there is an edge, the maximum. If you put too much, it will go over the edge and it's not pretty. I already have some coming out. So I said this video will be very noisy. So we start. You can choose. Hello, you can choose cappuccino, latte art, flat white, espresso on ice, iced frappe, iced nitro, espresso con pan, mocha viennoise, step 1, mocha, hot chocolate, hot milk, coffee viennoise, latte macchiato. I choose latte macchiato. It's very much like espresso, like coffee cappuccino. Okay, so I get okay. You can see It's quite noisy here. There are two ways. When the cup is small, you put like this. When the cup is large, it's not enough to put. I lift up the ladder and put it under. We will start macchiato, and this time I start to turn it on. So the water is starting to heat. It will take about 1 minute or something to get this one done. And when it is blinking, it's not yet good. When there is no blinking, completely white, this is good. I can pull down the ladder and press. This is a small, this is a large. My husband drink long. He does not drink any milk, so it's a long espresso. I drink the short one. You can see here, it's very noisy. So this is the espresso. The strength of the espresso is depending on how much water you put in. Look at it, it's pretty good actually. How much water you put in. I like it short so that I can drink some more milk. So I make this one. You can program this into how short it is, how long it is. This one is to be programmed. Okay, okay, this is good. Now we pull it in. Oh, the milk is pretty good. Look at it. Okay. That's it. If you want to be a little bit more fancy, you can put some chocolate. Uh-oh, where is my chocolate? It's in the other room. You can put some chocolate. Let's see how it works. Uh-oh, a little bit not so pretty, but that is it. It is good. It is very, very, very good. I'm sorry, it sounds like I am a espresso saleswoman. So that is it. By itself, the coffee is good. You can make into Americano, put in some more water, hot water. You can make it into long espresso by pressing it a bit longer. And this coffee, they are all inside this coffee, they are different. Some has larger grain, so it's good for long extraction. So you make coffee long, and some with more refined, it needs one time pressure coming out. So there are coffee called longo. There is coffee called different name. It's so that you can get the best of the coffee. So that's about it. I bought this in the coffee shop in Palo Alto, and they used to have a shop in Palo Alto in the town and country center, and I like to go there to exchange these, to put this into their recycle bin. And the people there are very, some of the people are really, it becomes someone that I really appreciate, I trust. So I enjoy going there. You can also go buy it online. My family, my husband buy everything online. So, okay, let me finish this. So that's his way. Bon appetito. This is called Pixie. Has the least. I think this is one of the least space. And this one is original capsule. They have new larger size capsule. I do not need large size capsule. I do not need to upgrade it. And small coffee is good enough. What else? We have used one time, changed one time of this machine. I think it lasts something like 5-6 years, the last one, 5-6-7 years, and then we changed a new one. That one does not seem to work well. It's quite durable, and this one is very much more durable. I used to have another kind of coffee milk frother, and it get broken after some time, 1 year or something. This one, I think more than 5 years, I forgot. But this one has been many years and still working well. One of the most important is because this is a stainless steel, so you can use even metal brush, metal to clean it, so it's always good. And the temperature of these are not very hot. It's designed for coffee. Sometimes I do some testing. Some companies send me coffee machines, milk frothers, and they are much hotter than this machine. It's because those are used for that they are just much hotter, and this one is not that hot. You never get burned drinking this coffee, because they think this is the best temperature of the milk. Anyway, that's about it. So this is the machine. If you are interested, I will put the link under the description. I am not their salesperson. This is a loser unboxing. I paid for it. It's my family paid for it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do.